In this video, I am going to show you how you can check whether your macOS is up to date or you need to update the macOS. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, click on the Apple menu and it will bring you this type of menu options. From here, you have to choose System Settings. I'm going to click System Settings and the System Settings window will be appeared. On the left side of the System Settings, you will see different options are there. These are the menu items. We have to click General. Once we click General, then right side we will see different options are there. From here we have to choose the second one, which is called Software Update. I'm going to click here so that software update will be expanded, and if there is any update of the macOS, then we'll see the list of update, and if there is nothing, then you can find a button like check now, like this type of button over there. If you click there, it will check whether there is any update for your macOS or not. If there is, then it will list like this way, and once you find this, then you have to schedule the update. You can make it like tonight, or you can start updating now. If we click the update now, it will start downloading the latest version of the macOS. So here, once I click here, it will bring like this. Then we have to press this agree button to continue the update, and it is asking the password. If your Mac doesn't have any password, then it will not ask. But for my Mac, I have the password, so I'm going to type the password of my Mac. So this is the username and this is the password, and once everything is typed correctly, then we have to press the OK button, and very shortly you will see it will start downloading the latest version of macOS. Once the download is finished, your Mac will reboot automatically. Sometimes it gives you the option to update now or later, but in this video I'm going to see that it will be automatically rebooted after the download is over, and you will see like this type of screen. Once it rebooted couple of times like this way, you will find like this type of screen again. Now let's check whether our Mac is updated properly or not. Once the restart is completed successfully, then if we go System Settings again, then software update, this section again, we'll see that your Mac is up to date. That means the Mac is updated properly, and later if you want to check, you can click this button to check whether there is any more update or not. But for my case, it is already updated, so there is nothing. And that's it. In this way, we can easily update our macOS with the latest version of macOS.